Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Inc. Don't forget the ink. Yeah. So this week, here it is, the beginning of January 2020, and just got done putting together, as usual, putting together a couple master cylinders for some clients, some high-end guys, and the best of the best. And I go on these Mopar forums and stuff, it just makes me sick to my stomach. How people just go on and on and on and bullshit. If you want to know what pistons go in what's supposed to be, and what is and what ain't not, you ought to call the dude that knows more than anybody else about the topic and can prove it. So, your 79171 fabled master cylinder, 1 year only, 1970 E-bodies, 1-inch bore. Here in this tub, we just got some old junkers that I collected over time. People are talking about, well, what went in there originally? Well, 9174. You see that right there, 9174. And a 748. These are original 9171 pistons. So, people's talking about the MK551, about how there not being any internal parts for the 9171, which is, of course, a lie. The Ram Man has always had the correct parts. If you don't call me, then you ain't gonna get the correct shit. Talking about people. Yes, so the other 1-inch bore master cylinder used on the A-bodies, 5541 as a 1-inch. And of course, the kit for that was the MK551. Now what is the MK551? Well, I'll tell you what it is. Here's an old tub of mine, MK551. There's a piston, but there ain't no front pistons because they've been stole. The MK551, the 5541, shared the same front piston. There you go. Here's a 551 kit out of the box. You could steal this assembly and put it in your 9171, and you end up with that. That's why the Ram Man got that. But you always had to have the long piston made or what have you. They're not the same length. They're not the same length. 9171 rear piston. How many do you want? 9171 piston. How many do you want? I guess that about sums it up. So 5541 used an MK 551, which is now obsolete, and you could steal the front piston. So these two beautiful specimens that you see here, finest in the world, they's out of my private collection. I collect this stuff. Of course, I'm getting rid of it now. Brass sleeved, beautiful machine work. Beautiful. I go ahead and sleeve all the master cylinders. Why? These super high-end cars, they don't get driven much, some not at all. And you buy a $1,000 master cylinder and it's all pitted up in a year or two and leaking because the cast iron pitted. That's a real sad story. So I take the time and the effort and sleeve that high-end stuff. So, if you need anything for your 222-9171 master cylinder at all, from lids to correct NOS gaskets, to the unit itself, to the components, whatever your little heart desires. If you don't want any pistons, I'll give you the cups to redo your own. So, anything that you need done with this master cylinder or any other Mopar or Ford master cylinder, I'm the dude. I'm the solution. You give us a call and it all goes away. God bless you. God bless America, and happy Moparing.